Thing smells nice. Smelling chicken. I am smelling chicken. Chicken. This is a quick live. Not much time. It's a quick one. Beautiful trees. It's a quick one. Good day, Nishan. No? Nishan, a long time I not see you. Long time. Long time I not see you. It's the weird. A long time I not see you stay there. The way the sun hot, I just stand up one place, cause I don't go in a no sun. I pay shade my walk for come out here, so I mean now move. Alright, kids coming. Kids are here. Oh, the hurricane. And oh, forget. How are you? Oh, the hurricane. Forget you never on any of those live. How is the hurricane treated you? You're in St. Anne, I believe. It was St. Anne badly damaged. I'm seeing a boat. I'm gonna show you guys too. Did you get much damage, Nishana? Oh, see a boat there. Where are you at? WYA. Hear that? WYA is where you at. So I'm boat there, guys. Nishan. How did the hurricane treat you? It's going slowly. You don't say to go slowly, you know. These young people have the most entertaining stuff. Hi, Shireen. Not affected, but waited a long time for light and Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. But you're back up now, I guess. Shireen's not supposed to be having her. Shireen, did you get light yet? Are you back up? Go, Are you back up now, Shireen? Any light? Remove this camera from these people. Did you get any lights? Any lights? Any Wi-Fi? Children, them. Oh, they may be visiting students because these kids are very tiny. These are not college kids. They are tiny. Hi guys, welcome in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Phone started to act up, but up and running again. Okay, awesome. So you restore the property and everything okay? Did anybody in on this live receive any damage to their homes? Or it's just the light and water and little leaks, you know? Because you know, with them rain there, all when you not have leak, with them rain there, you go find somewhere for leak. And then I go in that building. That's a nice building over there. It's very nice. It's huge and nice. Show you guys. Big nice building. Overlooking the river. Hi guys, welcome in. Wait, are so much people out there today and Welcome in, guys. I'm seeing a lot of people out here. Please like up the live. I mean, only I see one like. No, man. No, better than that. Yeah. So I guess everybody's kind of back and up and running.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the sun is hot.
I forgot I was watching you.
Guys, look at I'm almost at the river, but I'm not in the sun. Oh, see the boat there, see the boat there, see the boat there, to our next boat there, guys. You see it? Yeah, the boat is boating. Um, I'm still without current and internet service because I'm on the road. I get little access to the internet. Okay, Shireen. What? Oh, I'm sorry to hear. I'm so sorry to hear. I'm sorry. Was he ill or it was sudden? And I heard about the passing of one of our good church sister from country. It's so sad. It's so sad. My condolences to the Affleck families. Um, they lost my friend Kayla lost her mom. Us lost our church sister and a family friend. So keep everybody in your prayer who are being affected by somewhere or the other. Okay? Shireen, our prayers are with you and your family. Um, stay strong. I know that we are here for support. Which country? St. Thomas. Yeah, St. Thomas. There are so many church sisters that we have lost over the past months or so. There are some elderly church sisters in the church, and it's really sad for the church and for us. Is it pink? What are you talking about, Mike? What are you talking about, Mike? There are a lot of kids here today. They're all over. They may be touring the campus. And they are doing the sun good because they don't normally see sun like this all the time. For me, coming from Jamaica, we see sun like this every single day. Me not go tonight. Me not go tonight every day. Mike, oh, what you talking about? I would love to know. I would love to know. We are here having a decent conversation and you come in asking, is it pink? What about pink you're talking about? Yeah, she lost her brother. She said, I'm trying to find out whether he was ill or it's a sudden death. But remember, she said she's on the road trying to get Wi-Fi access because she still has not received back electricity nor Wi-Fi. So she's on the road trying to communicate. JPS, what are you guys doing to St. Elizabeth? Is it that the help is coming from the US for these for that part of the island because it's so badly affected? The posts and the equipment. Somebody get Mike off the live here. Your bigger brother. Oh, so sorry to hear. I'm really sorry. Condolences to you and your family. And I hope you find some assurance that whatever it is at rest. Maybe he was sick and I don't know, but Whatever it is, he's gone home peacefully. So just rest assured that all is well. Okay? A mailman just a come. Mailman just a come. Mail. Yeah. Whew. I have like 4 minutes and I just see people rolling in and out. So I said, I have so much people on here. I'm gonna ask them I give them likes, and the likes important. Your presence and the likes are important. Whew, it's so hot, guys. Look, look upon the sky. Look at the sky, how blue it is. Not a drop of cloud for say it a go calm down or it's not so hot. It's just blue. Yeah, it's just blue. But I'm praying that you, Shireen, I'm praying for you that you get light. Some places in Manchester still don't have light. Yeah, some places in Mandeville, Manchester, still don't get back light yet. So I don't know. Maybe the system so badly damaged at that side, at those ends. That's why it's taking a long time to restore power. Yes, so I'm gonna go shortly, guys. So if you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're mourning or lost someone in any shape or form, my condolences to you, Shireen, and others who have lost loved ones, to the afflicted families. Um, condolences to you guys. Hugs, hugs, hugs. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. In the midst of everything, we still celebrate life and any other events that we have. So rest assured that we are here for you and you can lean on us for support. Okay? Our community is always open for those who needs some assurance to say yes. I have a support. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a blessed rest of the day. Love you all. Take care and bye. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye, Nishana. Bye, Shireen. Take care.